There's the new rug. Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say thank you to the newest members of my channel, and that would be Helen. Thank you, Helen, so much for joining my channel. And Ursula from OM Granny Square, and she does have a YouTube channel. And I think you will enjoy it very, very much. I know that I do. And I think she's the queen of the granny squares. Thank you so much for that, Ursula. I appreciate that. So, like I said, she does have a YouTube channel, and I will leave her link below if you'd like to go click on her, subscribe to her channel, and see what all the fun that she is up to. She is always up to some fun, and she's a beautiful lady. So I appreciate you guys so very much. So yeah, just grab you some coffee, grab you something to drink, and see what I ate this morning. Yep, good old frozen waffles. And for you that commented that I needed protein with my breakfast, you see I had the bacon on the side. Oh, and if you're wondering about this cardigan that I'm wearing, this sweater, this is my essential sweater. I do have a tutorial on this, and I do have a pattern on Etsy and on my blog. Yeah, go check it out. Let's see. Here it is. Yeah, this one is the gray one. This is the oversized one, but it is really, really cold out here today. So I wanted to make sure I wore this big, comfy one. Nice and big and just huge. But yeah. So when I go out, I'm going to do like this right here. Okay, guys, I almost forgot to add this little clip. I have a little joke for you. What happened to the naughty granny square? He got into trouble. One of my subscribers here, I believe it was Chris, she said that my bunny that I did last week looked more like a puppy dog. So I went back and I looked at it, and it does. Oh my gosh, I was dying laughing. But it is. It's a puppy dog. That's what it looks like. So yes, Chris, you are so right. I was cracking up so much after you said that. And I went back and looked, and I was like, oh my God, actually looks just like a puppy dog. So I guess I'll be going through my patterns and trying to find another bunny to make for him, which is fun. And thanks, Chris, for letting me know that. So the latest thing that I am working on is a scrap rug. And I've been using these yarns. Aren't they gorgeous? I love all these beautiful colors. They are just so beautiful. And one of my wonderful yarny friends sent me these clips. So every single scrap ball of yarn is now clipped, and including a few of my skeins of yarn that's in the little cubby holes. But yeah, let's take a look at the rug that I have on this. Okay, guys, so this is the rug that I made for my room. Now, you can leave a comment in the bottom if you think it needs to be any bigger. I'm just not sure. At first, my husband said he thought it needed to be a little bigger, and then I was like, yeah, you're probably right. But then after I put it on there, I just don't know. Anyway, I don't mind making it a little bigger. It's nothing. I'll just add a few more rows. I did put 41 rows on this, and I used scrap yarn to make this. Now, there are two colors that I did carry all the way through, and see if you can see it in the picture. It is a teal color and a white. Everything else, the third color, because I used 3 strands for this, so the third color is just, you know, different balls of yarn, and that's how it came out. Yep. So there will be a tutorial for this. I'm pretty excited about it. Oh yeah, so while I'm here, I might as well show you the Easter basket. There will be a tutorial for this little Easter basket. And it's going to be in the blue, the yellow, and the beige. No, wait. The blue, yellow, and white. Yeah, the blue, yellow, and white. And this one, the reason it's not the pastel is because it's for a 13-year-old. But that's the Easter basket. So that tutorial will be probably next week that I'm working on. So yeah, that's what I made for my room. So I am very, very happy with it. Very excited about it. It just brings some warmth into the room, you know. So yeah, that basket right there is full of scrap yarn, and then the basket right behind the little llama is scrap yarn. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled it out from under the chair, and so you can see the whole thing. I did this all in 100% acrylic yarn, and that way it's nice and washable. And it's pretty much fresh off the hook. I just think these colors are so cool. Look at that, guys. So I will have a tutorial on that this week for you guys, and I'll tell you how you can actually keep making the rug even bigger and bigger and bigger in the tutorial. So yeah, be sure and check that out this week. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. That was so much fun making, and it just makes the room. When I walk in, it just feels good. Well, guys, let's see, what do I have? I have a basket tutorial coming up. I have the rug tutorial coming up. I have the announcements to the giveaway winners. Oh, and I will be having a giveaway this week. It is the Sips by Tea. There will be 3 winners on that. So I'm going to give away 3 boxes of Sips by, that's tea, that is sponsored by Sips by. Let's see, what else do I have this week? Announcement of the giveaway. My Instagram announcement winner, Facebook announcement winners this week, and my YouTube announcement winners this week. So I have all those, plus the Sips by and the rug tutorial. The basket tutorial will probably be next week. And what else do I have? Oh yeah, and then my Whip Wednesday. Don't forget that, guys. So if you have any carts and stuff that you would like to be submitted for that video, please submit those. Email me, put them in. Don't send them to my Instagram. For some reason, I can't download the picture. Okay, guys, let's do our 365 days of prayer. All inspired. His mercy extends to those who fear him from generation to generation. That's Luke 150. Merciful Father, it is amazing that your love spans the generations and holds the reality of our world together. Who is like you? Your faithfulness is not limited to individuals. It expands to families, communities, and nations. I realize that I have been living under your mercy all the days of my life, even when I didn't know it. Thank you for the people who have gone before me and for those who will come after. Will you give me vision to partner with you, not just for my own life, but for those around me as well as those I never meet? Today, I want to see the bigger picture. I am always encouraged when I see you or hear about you working in others' lives. Bind your people together with one heart to know that we are living under your mercy. Give us vision to run together for the benefit of those who will come after us. May I run with community, hand in hand, giving away mercy and love like life depends on it. Have you talked with a fellow believer lately about what God is doing in their lives? That is beautiful. I've just been crocheting. Oh yeah, and I am addicted to diamond dots. Oh my gosh, it's like I got to do diamond dots every day now. So that is so much fun. The one that Arteza sent me, I'm having so much fun with that. As far as lengthwise, I probably only got about that much. It's a long process, but I am looking forward to getting a picture that I can hang right here. Of course, it may take me a year to get it done, but I do plan on doing a diamond dots picture to go right there. I think that'd be really cool. Let's see, what else do I have? Well, guys, that's all that I have. I can't really think of anything else. If I do, I'll just talk about it in another video. So guys, remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.